Hey there! Want to get all your iPhone contacts straight into an Excel sheet without having to use a computer or Mac? You have come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to transfer all your contacts directly to an Excel sheet in just a few easy steps. So, let's dive right in. First, let's get your contacts saved to Excel. Here is what you need to do. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Look at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on List. Now, tap and hold the All Contacts option. Tap Export. Make sure to select all the sections you want. Then, tap Done. Scroll down a bit. Tap Save to Files. You can rename the file or just save it as it is by tapping Save in the top right corner of the screen. Next, let's move on to importing your contacts. Open your browser, Safari or Chrome works. Type in contacts.google.com and hit Enter. You'll land on the Google Contacts page. After that, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now, tap the plus icon. Tap Create Multiple Contacts. If you zoom in here, you'll see the Import Contacts option. Tap on it. Tap Select Files. Then, find the file you saved from your iPhone's contacts. Next, select that file. Tap Import. This should only take a few seconds. Now, to get all those contacts into your Excel sheet, tap the export icon next to the printer icon. From the options, choose Outlook CSV. After that, tap Export. Then tap Download. After that, now tap the Contacts icon. Make sure you have the Excel app on your iPhone. Also make sure you're signed in to your Excel account. After that, you should see all your contacts appear in your Excel sheet. There you go! Now you have all your contacts in your Excel sheet. If you have got any more questions about this process, just let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next time.